In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and share in PowerPoint, whether you're starting from a blank slide or updating an existing deck. Staying on top of saving and sharing will keep your work safe and make collaboration simple. Let's begin by opening Microsoft PowerPoint, then open your file or create a new presentation. As soon as you have something on the screen, it's a good habit to save it right away. Go to the top left corner and select File, then choose Save As. Here, you'll pick where to store your presentation. If you choose this PC, you're saving locally to your computer. That's great when you don't have internet access or prefer to manage files yourself. If you pick OneDrive, you're saving to the cloud. That means your presentation is backed up online and easier to access from other devices, and it also makes sharing by link a breeze. Type a clear descriptive file name so you can find it later, then click Save. Sticking with the default PowerPoint format is best if you plan to keep editing the file. From this point on, make saving part of your routine. The quickest way is the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+S to lock in your latest changes. Doing this regularly protects you from surprises like software crashes or power interruptions and keeps your progress up to date. Now, let's talk about sharing. The first method is sending your presentation by email directly from PowerPoint. Go to File, then Share, and choose Email. You'll see two useful options. Send, as an attachment, creates an editable PowerPoint file that the recipient can open and modify. Send as PDF creates a read-only version that generally looks the same on any device and is great for viewing or printing. Pick the one that fits your goal, enter the recipient's email in your default mail app, add a quick note if you like, and send it off. The second method is sharing a link through the cloud. Go to File, then Share, and select Share with People. If PowerPoint prompts you to save to OneDrive, go ahead. This enables link sharing. Then click Copy Link. You can paste this link into an email, chat, or any messaging tool. Before you share, check permissions so you stay in control. Set the link to view if you want people to look but not change anything, or allow edit if you're collaborating and want feedback and updates directly in the file. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.